We're in Muncie, Indiana to see the Bob Ross experience.
Do you like Bob Ross?
Yes.
Are you excited about going in to see the Bob Ross experience?
Yes. I love Bob Ross.
Bob Ross experience. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a layout and then you'll be free to explore. So back in the 80s, this house functioned as Muncie's local PBS station, and during that time, Bob came here and he filmed seasons 2 through 15 of Joy of Pain right here in this house, right here in this room. So to my left, you'll see the recreation of that studio set, and then over across that way, we have the recreation of sort of the 80s era living room, where you're welcome to have a seat on the couch and watch an episode of Joy of Pain, just like Bob's viewers did. Both of these rooms are very interactive. There's lots of like little discoverable items, so whatever catches your eye, feel free to pick it up and explore it closer. Little exceptions to that are anything that has that original artifact sticker, and the sign by Bob, and then the easel, which is his original easel. Those are the pieces that folks not to touch. But you're welcome to go closer.
See, there's all this kind of stuff. All kinds of cords for the, he had a smock he put on. Papers.
This is what his easels felt like. Right?
Yep. Absolutely. This is a very cold picture. I may have to get my coat here in a second. It's about to freeze me to death.
Well, it's actually cold. It feels cold.
Oh look, there's a little fireplace back there even. Oop. Robbie, hold your hand up there.
That's a ginormous pattern.
They filmed seasons 2 through, they say 7 in here? Now pretend like, just picture Bob over here. You stand over there, okay?
I'm not gonna be in it.
No, I got this.
Bend that knife. You want that rich paint there.
That's where he would have stood, is right there where you are.
Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Maybe start right here, the same, almost the same spot.
Says, you need a strong easel because we use a lot of pressure. You need an easel that would grip the canvas and hold it securely. Look, here's the original brushes that he used. Those are big. That was an original painting.
How come that says don't judge?
Because they don't want anybody to touch that. Bob used the side of his easel to beat the devil out of his brushes, splattering paint all over the floor. But in his instructional books, he recommended the neater method of drying brushes against a Ross brush beater rack inside a wastebasket. Beat the devil out of his brushes.
In that. In the trash can.
Now these 12 colors we'll use every week, so if you want to have your palette ready, these are the colors that we'll use. Also each week we'll run the colors across the screen, so in case you didn't get all these, you can pick them up next time. There's Bob Ross paints. So this would have been like a big living room in this mansion. They just had, these are windows back here they covered.
Can I see it?
Okay. So they had to cover the windows so they could film in here. Pre-show prep. Before each show, Bob cleared his sinuses with a whiff of Vicks Vapor Rub, ensuring a smooth, velvety voice. He also kept a hair pick in his back pocket to fluff out his perm.
He smoked.
Oh, he smoked.
Okay. This one.
You're standing in the Lucius L. Ball home where Bob Ross filmed The Joy of Painting. Bob Ross changed the way people thought about art. To him, it wasn't about creating a piece that would hang in a museum. It wasn't about fancy terms or theories. It was about the satisfaction found in creation. Beauty is everywhere. Look at that. That's a real Bob Ross. Look at that. Oh, wow. How close I can get to it. Looks better from back here. How long has this been open?
So originally the experience opened in fall of 2020, and that was the first half of the experience, so just this first floor. And then the expansion into the second story, the completion of those renovations was finished just in fall of 2021, so in October.
Oh, wow.
So fully opened for not even a year yet.
It's a chia bob. Chia bob Ross. Well, you put chia seeds on it and you water it, and then it looks like that. You see? You want to learn about his hair? Bob initially permed his hair to save money on haircuts while trying to make it as an art instructor. He didn't like the perm and later wanted to change his hairstyle, but Annette told him he couldn't. The poofy hair was part of his brand and his iconic logo. Look, it's true. He wouldn't be the same if he cut that hair off, would he?
And it's kind of funny because that has 5 fingers.
He was missing part of one finger, wasn't he? That he always
It has
hid.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, you can't see it there because it was just right there at the knuckle. He always kind of hid it so that you couldn't see it. A Bob Ross toaster. Oh, he loved animals. He loves squirrels. Do you love squirrels, Robbie? So this is a recreation of an 80s family room. We have some happy accidents sometimes, but we don't make any mistakes. Do we? Happy accidents. Oh, this is an actual rotary phone. Yours is, the one we have is push button. Okay.
Oh, it says 9.
Dial 911 for me, Robbie. Do it.
Where's 9?
Do it. All the way around. Yep. 1. No, you did. Uh-oh, you screwed up. Gotta hang up. Try again. 9. Hurry, this is an emergency. 1. Okay, finally. It's ringing. Here, it's for you.
Hello? Our house is on fire.
He would always stop to talk to the fan.
Why does it say 911 on there? Why does it say 911?
Well, I don't know. And see, this is an old console TV. Push the buttons to change the channel. Go check it out, Robbie.
His complete dedication to painting and teaching others to paint was the driving force. What ultimately led to Bob's unprecedented success hosting a painting program was his unwavering belief that anyone could learn to paint.
Let's sit in your grandma's living room and watch this. Go change the channel for us, would you? No remotes for you. You can sit here and watch episodes of Bob Ross in this 80s style room.
Around here a little bit. This being the last show of this series, you know, over and over again I say, we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents. So today,
Happy accidents.
Yeah, I know happy little trees also.
Happy little trees.
Across the screen that I've already used up here. And when they're coming across, let's go and let me show you what can be done. That I've had a million of. What do we do with something like this? Normally, what you can do. Let's just go back to this old 2-inch brush. And I'm just going to grab this and lift it upward. Let's just lift upward. Blend this out. The devil out of it. Go about your business. With the conclusion of this series, there's now over 140 shows. So we got a lot of shows in it. 140.
Let's see what's upstairs. Happy little forests. This is where they have the instruction, where you can learn to paint like Bob Ross. See, look at this, has special Bob Ross paints. Scrapers. Wouldn't that be fun to learn to paint like Bob Ross? Hold it up and see how big that was. Whoa. Oh, is it heavy?
No.
Hold it up like you would be painting. Just like that.
It's heavy.
That's what I said. Is it heavy?
Yes. How do you hold this? It's heavy.
Well, he's stronger than you.
Oh, I know, but it's heavy.
Good job. Here we have a gallery of some people that have been here and painted.
This is what people made.
They learn how to paint like Bob Ross. A little gallery here.
Can I ring the doorbell?
Okay.
It doesn't even work. We're gonna see what Bob Ross stuff they have at the gift shop. Let's go.
Oh look, they have socks.
Oh, I want socks.
Happy tree.
Does it?
Bobblehead.
Oh, does the bobblehead actually come with the palette?
I'm sure it does. That is so
It
cute.
won't stay. Look at that. What is this?
Playing cards.
What is this? Wait, what is this?
That's the bobblehead.
What's this?
That is, you can make that. It's a picture. It's a Pix Bricks. We have stickers, pins. He's gonna beat the devil out of you, out of that brush. You can buy Bob Ross paint, brushes, mugs. Look, t-shirts.
Whole bunch of paint brushes and
What did you think about the Bob Ross experience?
we have a whole bunch of paint brushes and paint.
Yeah, tell me, what did you think about it?
I liked it, and we don't even have a scraper.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
Cool to see where they filmed it and he actually painted all those paintings? Yes.
Yes. So we just finished the Bob Ross.
What did you get at the gift shop? And the cool thing you got.
Bob Ross on the bobblehead. This is exactly what it looks like.
Did you like the Bob Ross experience?
Yes, I did.
What did you like about it?
It had his original things. Video over.